This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Lexus LS460. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter removal tool, and a drain pan. Next, confirm you have the correct type and quantity of engine oil, typically around 1 quart of 0W20 synthetic, along with a new oil filter. Finally, safely lift your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands for stability. Once your Lexus LS460 is safely elevated, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Locate the drain plug, usually a 14mm bolt, and carefully remove it. Allow the old engine oil to drain completely, which can take several minutes. After draining, clean the area, install a new crush washer on the drain plug, and tighten it to about 30 foot-pounds. Now, move to the oil filter housing, typically located near the front of the engine. Use your specialized oil filter wrench to carefully unscrew and remove the housing. Inside, you'll find the old filter element and O-rings. Replace these with new ones, ensuring you lubricate the new O-rings with a little fresh oil before reinstallation. Tighten the housing until snug, usually around 18 foot-pounds. With the new filter in place and the drain plug secured, it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Carefully pour approximately 1 quart of 0W20 synthetic oil into the fill port. Start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil, then shut it off and check for any leaks. After a few minutes, check the oil level on the dipstick and add more if necessary. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.